Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add JS in Shopify. So simply click on action button, now click on edit code. So now here what you need to do, just you have to find the assets option here, just click here, now click on add a new asset. So simply you can see the JS and CSS formats, these two extensions are available here. So now we want to add a new assets. So simply select the extension and type the file name here, and after this click on done button, and now wait for a few seconds. So here you can see we have successfully installed our application here. And now after this just go to theme liquid and just scroll down here and just type the code here, mine.js. So you can simply copy this code and paste it. In my case I have typed it personally, and after adding the code you can simply click on save. So in this way you can easily add JS in Shopify.